Secret car key tricks. Most drivers don't know about. You've been driving your car for years, but did you know your car key can do way more than just lock and unlock? Most drivers miss out on features built right into their fobs. Automakers design these hidden functions for safety and convenience. The solution is simple, brother. Learn how to unlock these secrets. Start by checking your owner's manual. But don't worry, I'll break it down here. Stick around because the next feature could save you a ton of hassle. Ever left your windows down on a hot day? Many car keys have a built-in trick that lets you roll up or down all the windows just by holding the lock or unlock button. According to Consumer Reports, this is a common but overlooked feature. The solution is testing your fob while standing near your car. Pro tip, buddy, hold the unlock button for a few seconds and watch the magic. Next, let's explore a safety trick that parents will love. Here's a big one for parents or night drivers. Some keys can actually light up your path by turning on the headlights remotely. Automakers added this to keep you safe walking to your car in the dark. The fix is simple. Press and hold the unlock button twice, depending on the model. My tip, brother, is try it tonight in a safe space. Motivation moment. Every new trick you learn makes you a smarter driver. Let's keep building that confidence as we move to the next feature. Ever lost track of your car in a packed parking lot? Don't stress, your key might already have the solution. Many fobs have a panic button that honks the horn and flashes the lights. Studies show this can also scare away potential thieves. The solution is to press and hold the red panic button for a few seconds. Pro tip, buddy, use it sparingly so you don't annoy your neighbors. Coming up, I'll share a hidden trick that's a lifesaver in emergencies. Imagine being locked out with a dead fob battery. Most modern car keys have a hidden mechanical key inside. This is backed by automaker design data. The solution is sliding or pressing a latch on your fob to reveal a small key. Tip for you, brother. Practice taking it out at home so you're not fumbling in the rain. And wait until you hear what else that hidden key can do beyond unlocking doors. That tiny mechanical key isn't just for doors. In some cars, it also gives access to the glove box or trunk, especially in valet mode. Automakers built this to protect your valuables. The solution is testing which locks it works on in your car. Here's my tip. Keep a spare copy of the mechanical key in your wallet just in case. Remember, buddy, small habits today prevent big headaches tomorrow. Stay motivated because the next feature is even cooler. Cold mornings, frozen windows, and you're stuck scraping ice. Did you know some keys let you start the car remotely? According to Edmunds, remote start can preheat or cool your car before you step in. The solution is pressing a specific sequence, often lock, then holding the remote start button. My tip, try it safely in your driveway to get used to it. Next up, I'll show you how your key can protect your car's security. Car theft is still a real problem. But did you know some keys can actually disable the ignition when programmed, right? This is called an immobilizer, and it's been proven to cut down theft rates by more than 40%. The solution is simple. Always use your programmed key, not a cheap copy. My tip, brother, if you lose a key, reprogram it at the dealership. Coming next, a feature most drivers never use but can save you during a storm. Ever been stuck in sudden rain with your sunroof open? Some car keys can close it for you. This trick is often activated by holding the lock button. Automakers designed it for quick weather protection. The fix is practicing the timing so you don't have to run in panic. Motivation time. Every time you master one of these tricks, you're turning small knowledge into big confidence. Let's keep that momentum going. Ever lend your car to someone and worry about how fast they drive? Some keys, especially smart keys, can limit speed or radio volume. Ford calls this My Key, and other brands have similar systems. The solution is setting up restrictions in your car's settings. Pro tip, use it for teen drivers or valet parking. And up next, let's look at a comfort feature hidden in plain sight. Imagine unlocking your car and your seat, mirrors, and even steering wheel adjust automatically. Some keys store driver preferences like a memory profile. Research shows it reduces distractions since you don't adjust while driving. The fix is programming your settings once, then linking them to your key. Tip, buddy, assign each driver in your home their own fob. Next, I'll reveal a feature that helps during stressful city driving. City driving means tight spots. Did you know some car keys can fold your side mirrors with a button? Automakers added this to prevent damage in narrow spaces. The solution is holding the lock button or pressing a mirror fold symbol if your fob has it. Here's my tip. Fold mirrors in crowded parking garages every time. Motivation boost. Small tricks like this make your car feel more premium and keep you feeling in control. Ready for more? Lost your fob battery in the middle of nowhere? Don't panic. Many cars have a hidden spot where you can place the dead fob to still start the car. According to AAA, this is usually near the start button or center console. The solution is finding that backup slot in your car manual. My tip: locate it before you actually need it. Next, let's talk about a feature that makes road trips easier. On long drives, fumbling with the trunk can be a pain. Some keys have a trunk release that works even if the car is locked. This is great for loading groceries quickly. The fix is pressing and holding the trunk button until it pops open. My advice: try it with arms full of bags to see how handy it is. Next up, a feature that actually helps save gas. Fuel efficiency matters. Some advanced keys interact with the car to track mileage and driving habits. This helps you adjust your driving style. According to EPA data, smoother driving can save up to 20% on gas. The fix is enabling Eco Mode linked to your fob if your car has it. Motivation brake. See, brother, knowledge isn't just power, it's money saved. Let's move on to a feature that could protect your car in an accident. After a crash, seconds matter. Some modern keys trigger automatic unlocks or hazard lights when airbags deploy. This improves rescue response. The solution here is knowing your car's emergency functions. My tip: read that section of your manual and share it with family. Coming next, we'll check a feature that keeps your battery from dying. Ever left your lights on by mistake? Some keys can automatically turn them off when you lock the car. This reduces dead batteries. Studies show battery drain is one of the top roadside problems. The fix is simply making sure you always lock your car with the fob. Pro tip, brother: even in your driveway, use the fob to save your battery. Up next, a trick that helps if you travel often. If you fly a lot, valet parking or long-term storage can be stressful. Some car keys have a valet mode that limits access to the trunk and glove box. The fix is activating it before handing your keys over. My advice: always test valet mode at home first. Motivation time. Remember, every feature you unlock puts you ahead of millions of drivers. You're building knowledge that sticks. Here's a trick you might not expect. Some cars let you roll down just one window for airflow by holding the unlock button halfway. This is built for comfort in hot climates. The fix is experimenting with partial presses. Tip, buddy: try it when the sun is blazing. It'll feel like your car is looking out for you. And now, let's wrap it all together with one final message. So, brother, we've uncovered secret car key tricks that most drivers overlook. From saving your battery, boosting comfort, adding safety, and even cutting fuel costs, these hidden gems are sitting right in your pocket. The solution is practicing each one until it becomes second nature. My tip: teach your family too so everyone benefits. Like, share, comment your own car key discoveries. Disclaimer: always test features safely and consult a professional if you have concerns. Stay curious, buddy, and keep driving smart.